Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to log in to continue to Google Business Profile. So I will show you from both ways, like if you have an existing Google Business Profile, so how you can log in and what you will see there in the dashboard, and what you will see if you have if you are going to create a new Google Business Profile. So what you will see, what is the difference in between these two things. So you can see I have opened this my existing account, and here you can see if I click on the top with my profile image, you can see here like business profile manager, search account. So a lot of things we can see here. So if we click on business profile manager, so see now I can see the list. I have sign in into the Google Business Profile Manager, and this is the dashboard of Google Business Profile, where I can see I have included, I have submitted and published like 4 of my businesses here in Google Business Profile Manager. And you can see here like the reviews, linked accounts, settings, supports, each and everything is here. And for instance, the name of businesses also we can see, and if I want to add new business, I can add from here. I can add single business, import businesses here. So these things, this is the dashboard. Now if you go here like this, and this is another account, and if I click here Google Business Profile here, so you see this will ask me to sign in because I don't have an existing account here. If I click on sign in, see now it's asking me to add a new business here, get your business discovered on Google Search, Maps and more. So I will add here the details of my business, enter a few business details to get started. So once I add, and Google will verify my business, there are few methods, like you will get a call, or you will you will get a message. Several ways Google can ask you to verify the business. So once you verify the business, then you can see the dashboard like this. Or you can simple go to Google Business Profile. You can search in Google and see this one, google.com/business. If you open google.com/business, for example, and if you click on sign in, see business profile, so this will also open Google Business Profile Manager. Or you can search your Google Business Profile, and if you click here get listed on Google, so this is also the same process. So I have explained methods to sign in, to log in, to continue to Google Business Profile. I have explained everything, so I know that you now know how to log in. So it's a very simple process, simple method you can follow, and you can share the video with your friends so they can also learn, they can increase their professional skills. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.